In this video, I'm going to teach you about why temptation can be so hard for us. Many times, there are things that come up in our lives that can block our flow of success. Maybe it's an addiction or something we do, a behavior that is harmful. I'll give you a few of them. Eating really unhealthy foods, having inappropriate thoughts about women or men that you're not in a relationship with. It can be just having bad habits like alcohol or marijuana use or cocaine use or ecstasy or any other type of drug. All of these things can be tempting for us, and some of us, get into a habit of doing these things, and it's very, very hard to break because these things kind of have a stronghold on our minds and our body. And when we allow these things into our life, it might seem like, oh, I'm just going to have a drink. Oh, I'm just going to smoke some pot. And you'll say to yourself, well, a lot of people do that. I'm in high school or in college. Lots of people are smoking and drinking and partying. It won't be a big deal. What they don't see is that sometimes it opens the door to allowing really negative, damaging stuff to happen, right? You smoke pot one time, and the next thing you know, you're smoking it on weekends and then during the week. And before you know it, you smoke all the time. And then after that, you start losing your ambition. And you say, yeah, you know what, I'll work on that tomorrow. Yeah, man, no problem. I'll get to it eventually. And you stop focusing on school and you stop focusing on your passions and your dreams. And the goals that you had get buried. And you no longer feel the excitement and the joy and the thrill that was within you before. So what I want to say to you is do what you can to build yourself up, to be around people that'll motivate and encourage you. Get yourself healthy, get yourself filled with energy, and don't put into your body and your mind things that are harmful. Now listen, it's really hard. You put on television nothing but drama and negativity. You put on music videos, nothing but negative stuff. And I have to admit, it's not easy to be away from it. But if you will decide to put as much positive stuff into your life, you will see your life get easier and better, and you'll feel better. Because when you're around encouragement, you're around inspiration, your mind and your body knows that this is better for you, and it'll make you feel more alive. We do two things. We run a community called Will Listen. It's a place to get inspired, to get encouraged, to get motivated, to find hope. It's called willlisten.com, WILLLISTEN.com. That's WILLLISTEN.com. We also do one-on-one coaching where we'll work with you and we'll motivate you and we'll encourage you to be the most successful person you are capable of, and that you can get rid of these negatives and build your life into something successful and terrific. I look forward to seeing you on Will Listen, and thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Please know it's never too late to make changes, especially if you know you need to make them.